Hey, One Fifth Scale gang, this is Levi here. I'm bringing another update for my Baja buggy, my Rovan, my 36cc one. Got my brand new GTB front hydraulic brakes. Things are pretty well good quality, I think, so far. I mean, they're freaking huge. I know that. I didn't think they'd be that big. But good looking quality so far. I haven't installed it, as you can tell. That'll be next. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm all excited. I got all this, and then adapters came with it and stuff, extenders for all that stuff to fit on. But then I have some more goodies coming in, which that's gonna be awesome. I'll video that. But this is all going on in my 36cc buggy, Rovan. It's gonna be nice. Can't wait. Hope you guys have a good day. Keep your builds real. Keep it real.